We are called to be good at all times, and there is no holiday for being good. Dear brothers and sisters, during these days of monsoon, when we go around, a common notice that we get to see is to be alert. The floor is slippery. It is displayed so that we are careful and won't fall. A similar message is found in the Gospel of the day. Jesus tells us to stay awake because we do not know the day when our Master is coming. We are therefore called to be like those good servants who are good not only in the presence of the Master, but also when he is absent. In other words, we are called to be good at all times, and there is no holiday for being good. This message to be alert is also given to us so that we may not fall spiritually. In the light of today's gospel, we can find two areas where we as servants can easily fall if we are not careful. Firstly, to remember our true identity. We are servants of a master. Martin Luther King Jr., commenting on the parable of Good Samaritan, says, "The first question which the priest and the Levite asked was, 'If I stop to help this man, what will happen to me?' But the Good Samaritan reversed the question, 'If I do not stop to help this man, what will happen to him?' This is the identity of a servant, stopping to help someone. But there is always a danger of slipping and falling. This happened to the dishonest servant in the gospel today. He began to beat his fellow servants. For a moment, he thought that he was their master. Little did he know that even their master does not beat them. Secondly, to engross in our duty. As the servants of the master, we have only one responsibility, that is to serve the master. How can we serve him? Mother Teresa says, "Prayer in action is love, and love in action is service." Try to give unconditionally whatever a person needs at the moment. The point is to do something, however small, and show you care. We serve our master, therefore, by serving our fellow humans. Jesus says, "As you did it to one of the least of these my brethren, you did it to me." St. John Chrysostom once exhorted the faithful, saying, "Do not adorn the church and ignore your afflicted brother or sister, for he or she is the most precious temple of all." But there is always a danger here too, to be self-absorbent, to postpone the good we could do to the next day and engage oneself only in enjoyments of this world. But if we are alert, we may not fall like the dishonest servant into these dangers. But if we are not alert, there is all possible to fall spiritually and be lost forever. Amen.